Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create text to speech easily on CapCut. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Now tap on new project, then select the video or photo that you want to add. I'm going to choose this photo, and now I'm going to add text on it. Here I'm going to write this text, and now I'm going to put this style on it. Now I'm going to add another text on it. In here you guys can see text to speech option. Tap on here. Then you guys will find out a lot of voice. Here is English, Indonesian, and also male, female voice. Now I'm going to choose this one.
Hi guys. Welcome to our channel.
So this is how you guys can create text to speech on CapCut. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.